A question I'm starting to hear more often from employers is this: can AI help managers write workplace notes? And if so, how far should we rely on it? It's a very relevant question because AI tools are now being used to draft meeting notes, performance summaries, and even disciplinary documentation. Used properly, they can be helpful, but used without care, they can create new risks. AI can support structure. It can help a manager organize their thoughts, improve clarity, and reduce the time it takes to document a situation. For example, after a difficult conversation, a manager may struggle to summarize what was discussed. AI can help turn rough points into a clear professional note, and in that sense, it can improve consistency. But AI does not understand context in the way a manager does. It does not know the history of the employee. It does not understand tone, nuance, or workplace dynamics, and it cannot make judgment calls. That is where the risk sits. If a manager relies entirely on AI to generate notes, without reviewing and adjusting them, the output may not accurately reflect what actually happened. It may sound correct, but miss key details, or worse, include language that was never used. In employee relations, accuracy matters, because documentation is not just a record. It becomes part of how decisions are assessed later. Another important point is accountability. Even if AI assists in drafting a note, the manager remains responsible for what is recorded. The responsibility does not transfer to the tool. So the question is not whether AI should be used. The question is how it should be used. A practical approach is this: use AI to support structure, not replace thinking. Draft your own key points first. Use AI to refine clarity and formatting. Then review carefully to ensure the note reflects what actually occurred. Keep it factual, keep it accurate, and keep it aligned with your workplace standards. AI can be a useful assistant, but it cannot replace managerial judgment. And in employee relations, judgment is what protects your decisions. If you are introducing AI into your workplace processes and want to ensure your documentation remains clear, consistent, and defensible, structure makes all the difference. I am Neera, and this is Employee Relations Advisor. We help employers handle people issues properly through practical employee relations advice, people management training, and structured support systems. Please like and subscribe for practical workplace guidance for Barbados and the Eastern Caribbean. Thank you for watching.